everyone, we are back with Glenn Belver Reviews here, and sorry my bird is in the background so he's making a little bit of noise, but I got the Harmony stainless steel dog fountain. We got this for the cat instead, to drink some water, because this will promote the cats to drink water. This way, you want cats to be promoted to drink water because they can have urinary tract infections and stuff like that, and the more water they drink, the less you have to bring them to the vet. So that's the reason why you want to have them drink a lot of water, and this entices them to drink water. So that's why we got the Harmony stainless steel dog fountain. As you can see right here, we got this. So we're going to open this up and do an unboxing review right now real quick and see what's inside this box. So the box was taped up, so I hope that it wasn't used. So we're going to take it out of here. So I see this. We got a piece right there. I don't know if this was used or not. I hope not. Here is the pump, the wire, I guess, and the pump right there. Here's the transformer. This is the transformer right here. So this is the transformer right here that gets plugged into the wall. And this is the stainless steel pan. The bottom of it, at least. This is the bottom of it. So I guess it goes something similar to this. Oh, I don't even know how it goes. So it goes something like that. Okay. I'm not sure how it goes. I just opened it. I'm not sure. There's filters right here. These are the filters. So you're probably going to want to have extras of those. Oh, the filter goes inside here, actually. The hell? Okay. So the pump, there's a pump right inside here. It goes like that, I guess, and it says that the filter, which we're going to open and see what it looks like. It comes with 3 filters. Let's open up one of these. Let's open up one of these filters and see what it looks like. So it looks like the filter goes inside here is what I'm getting at. Let me see, is there any direction? That's it. The filter goes in there just like that. So you can see the filter, and here's the pump. That's how small the pump is. That's what the filter looks like. It goes in there like that. So that's all I see so far. It says we have to rinse the filter out. I forgot to rinse the filter, so yes, we have to do that. Okay, so we rinsed it under cold water real quick, and let's put it back together. It says there is a float control, but I do not see it on here. See, you can see right here, it says there is a flow rate level, but I do not see it on here. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so that's kind of how it goes. Let's see. Okay, anyway, so let's read the rest of the directions. It says step 5, place and hold motor power cord, put in the notch, put back together. Remove top bowl by placing fingers under each side and lift up. All right, I think that's it. I think that's all how it goes. Let me go see. I'm going to go get a extension cord. I'll be right back. We'll fast forward this, obviously. All right, so I'm back, and I put that pump in. I don't know if you just pour water in. Let me see. I mean, I got my extension cord Water level should always be maintained 1 inch from top. Okay, so everything else is cleaning and maintenance, so let's see what's up. Let's put some water in here and see how it works, okay? So it says pour water in here, pour water in here. I don't know how much water. This is 16 ounces. I'm gonna get some more water. All right, so hopefully 32 ounces is enough. Because I'm gonna put 32 ounces in here and that's it. Let's plug it in and see what's up, okay? And let's see what this thing looks like. Let's check it out. I'm gonna move it a little bit closer. Let me check the camera, make sure it's still in thing. Yeah, it's still in there, okay. So let's see what it looks like and we're gonna plug it in right now. Maybe it needs more water than 32 ounces. Let me check. I'm going to get more water. Let's see if it needs more than 32 ounces. It's bubbling, but it's not really coming out what I thought it was going to come out like. And there's a lot of water in there. I put about 40 ounces of water in there. Is it lined up correctly, maybe? I don't know. Maybe it is just supposed to drip out, maybe. That pump looks very, if you see the pump in here, it looks very light. So maybe it's just supposed to drip out like that. Yeah, I guess it's just supposed to go like that, just drip it out a little bit, I guess. That's what it looks like. So, I mean, it looks pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't make like a fountainy sound, but it works pretty good. We're going to put it in the kitchen and see how it works. This is just me testing it out, seeing what it flows. So it is flowing a little bit on the side, and that's about what you're going to get. And this is supposed to promote the cat and dog to drink more and have good, kidneys and everything else, because drinking a lot of water helps you guys, helps everybody out. So that's about it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the unboxing and review of it, setting up and stuff like that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put on everything else that I like to review for everybody else and help you guys out. All right? And that's it. So everybody have a good one. Bye-bye. Enjoy.